I will never look at fashion the same way again after learning these steps. Let's dive in. Define your target audience. Who are they? What do they like? Your tribe may evolve, so keep up. Next, create a business plan. Outline your goals, marketing strategy, and budget. Make it your brand's blueprint. Build an online store. Easy peasy. Sell directly to customers and showcase to media. Market your business online. Instagram is your new BFF. Connect, promote, and shine. Don't forget email marketing. Send newsletters, updates, and promos. Stay in their inbox and on their minds. Find a clothing manufacturer. Quality and cost matter. Choose wisely. Think like an entrepreneur. Start small with one product. Set the right prices. Have a vision for your brand identity. Know who you are and flaunt it. Distribute flyers and brochures. Old school, but it works. There you have it. So, your fashion brand ready to rock the runway. Let's make those fashion dreams come true.